And someone who knows a lot about impact windows and doors is Tack Granata from FHIA. Let's see what he has for us today.
There are a few concerns for this family and a couple of things that we wanted to address. Certainly, they weren't happy with the hurricane protection or protection from intrusion. The original windows that were installed in the home didn't provide much of anything in terms of protection from the storms as well as energy efficiency. They weren't sealed as well as they liked. They were starting to fall apart. They were difficult to open and close. So there were a lot of things we discussed in looking at changing out their windows. And they also plan on being in the home for a long time, so this was a project that they only wanted to do once. So having lifetime warranties with full coverage on everything was really important to them. Checked a lot of the boxes for this family with the product from Custom Window Systems. They're going to see a big change, a big transformation, and I'm excited to see how happy they are with the decisions they made. Yeah, these windows really operate really smooth. They're going to love how they open and close, because one of the things that we did discuss when we initially met with them is, do we want to replace this window with two single hung side by side that open from the bottom, or do we want to go with something like the slider, which gives them the unobstructed view of the lake outside their back, and it also makes it really easy for them to open and close without having to be concerned of the leverage on the single hung window. Now that the installation is just getting completed, they're really going to love it, because it looks like their big concerns were hurricane protection, which we were able to provide for them. Energy efficiency with the Solar Max technology and the way it's going to reflect the heat away from the home is going to make the space a lot more comfortable. They're just going to put the finishing touches on this installation. Everything went perfectly. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tack.